How to edit or delete another team member's signature. Team members with the correct access rights can edit or delete each other's signature before sending out a document to a client, allowing for efficient collaboration on document preparation. Once the document is sent, it is considered to be signed by your firm, and the client can see this. To make changes before sending, open the Docs page and locate the document you want to interact with. Click on Request Signature. From here, you can add new signature fields or edit existing ones. When requesting an e-signature from a team member, select the Me option from the Signers list and place the signature field on the document. Click on it, then type in the name of your team member. You can also delete a signature by clicking the red X icon next to the signature field. If you want your team member to leave their signature on their own instead of you entering it for them, prepare all the other fields and save the document instead of sending it. Wait for them to add their signature and send out the request. If you want to see the changes that have been made to a document, you can open the audit trail. Here you will be able to see who created each firm representative's signature field in the document.